Welcome to Best Car Fixes. Welcome. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, 2010 X5 with this computer, MSD 851. This is the aftermarket one, as you notice here. Part number 810. The other one, I mean this, I don't mean aftermarket, but I mean a used one from the junkyard. This is the original one, water damage. You see here, it is a water damage. But this one here, all the number, that one is 3810 and this is 380. Everything the same. But this one is coming from 7 series. This one comes from 7 series. And this one is coming from X5 here. No communication. They brought this one. The junkyard say it's work. So the only thing I did is I take the CAS module, which you see there. I take the ISN, the password, the ISN number from the CAS, and I write it here. The car is start, but the problem is not accelerating at all. Here is our problem. Why is not accelerating? Is that because different of the software or something else? I am not sure. So before we go crazy, I will put this one in, start it, diagnose to see what code we have, what the possibility, and then if you need a coding or programming, I will code it and program it. So let's go to this one time. I'm gonna plug that one first. The customer bought a car. We are not able to communicate with the original computer to read or clone it. So we have this problem here. I am going to put this computer inside. The connection are here. We have to start from the one that is here and go this way. After I connect it, we will read the VIN number for here and we will try to see what code we have and what the problem on it. They put a used engine computer here. That means used engine and a used computer from another car. We did not touch the software. We don't do nothing. We just unlock it. So, but if it require, if the computer come from the same car, that's okay. But if it's from the different car, you may need to program it. So stay with us. To connect them, you're gonna put it here. Guys, I'm using one hand, so. And you start by putting this one first, which is here like this. I don't wanna use one hand for all of it because I don't wanna damage the pins. So please, I'm gonna stay a little bit away. I put everything back. By the way, I put everything back. This one here, I believe I will show you what I mean by the car, but this one here is from another car. So let's go see what code we have. I'm trying to start this car first, and then we see why the car doesn't want to accelerate. Is there any code? What code in it? And then it will help us to figure it out. Okay, this is the key. I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna turn the key on. Start the car. The car is started. But the car running. But I cannot give gas, you see? Nothing, no gas. I would like all of you to give us the idea why and what happened and what need to be done. Please, all of you, we need an input. Is that because the computer is coming from 7 series or why? Or there is a problem on electrical or different of the computers, or we need to update the computer. So the car is running now. I cannot accelerate, as you hear here. Let me turn this one off. Okay, I am going now to use my tools. Okay, first I'm gonna turn it off, leave the ignition on to see what's going on. Why? Because this code, it could be there. When somebody bring you the computer, you have, okay, here, I'm gonna record the screen also. This is the first step that I wanna do. And then from there, I will go to the next step. Right now, we just wanna know what code we have. Okay, is that because of the computer? It's the A. This is a BMW Diagnostic software that we just try to go with it. So let's see what we have. Ignition is on. Yeah, ignition is on. I will communicate with all my system. Okay, we're gonna go information, operation, read vehicle data, complete identification. Okay, let me open this screen bigger. My ICOM is there. Set up the ICOM. So now I will be able to read the information. Hopefully everything is clear. You see, this is the original VIN number, ending with 201019. Okay, they say they need a charger. I don't need the charger right now, but I will ask them to put the charger on. E70, this car is E70. And I will show you how many codes are there. You see, anything with the orange are codes. We have 98 codes here. We have 98 codes. Halfway. Can I delete all this code? What I have to do? I don't know. But we have DME, transmission, all these codes. I just want to concern towards my engine computer. Charging system is 11.7. It's low. I'm gonna go put the charger on while I'm doing the diagnosis. Okay. Let me see what I have here. Okay. Go down here. Flash. Charging now. Because I have headlight on and all this stuff. I just want to get the right information. This engine is what? 5.0i. And the computer that I have here is coming out from X6. We are there now. Please give us an idea. And we just need all of you that is here sharing the ideas to help us what's going on. My job, I just write the ISN. So why the car is not accelerating? I know this computer is working for a couple of different cars. Software could be different. Right? That's why if you are going to change or use, you have 99. So, okay, let me go to display the codes. Those codes here, you see exhaust camshaft bank 2 signal, charging pressure, oxygen sensor, EWS panel, DME, power management closed circuit, current violation. You see here? DME, power management closed circuit, current violation, line bus, temperature sensor radiator, electric fan activation. Hold on, please. Okay. Charging pressure switch, control off, parking brake, signal driver, control unit, disc. All this is not a problem, but my point is, why is say power management violation? All those codes, I don't have no problem with it. CAS, STARA, maybe all are like code that 99 code, and this is half page. So keep going. I don't know what they mean power violation, but there is something that is not okay there. Either the computer could be different. Okay, I'm gonna do one thing. I'm gonna delete all the memory. And then the 99 memory code fault, I'm gonna delete it and then we take it from there. Okay. At least I need something to be green. Switch ignition off, remove the key. I'm switching the ignition off, removing the key. Insert the ignition key. Okay, now you see DME, we have one code, we have 10 codes. 10 codes here. And then I will display the codes. Okay, transmission, DME. Transmission, we put it in neutral. Display memory. Now we have here, now let's see what code we have. Charging pressure sensor, electrical. Line bus communication, temperature sensor radiator, bypass blow off valve activation, charge pressure control switch off, park, emergency, oil. I have these two codes. I don't know what does that mean. You see, like charge, bypass blow off valve activation, charge pressure sensor, electrical. Okay, you know what? And then there is nothing there, just 10. Oil level switch, parking, charging pressure control switch off. I don't know what they are, but let me crank it first, start it, then if there's a problem. If there is any code we know. Engine malfunction, power reduce. Car running, I cannot give gas. Okay, let me do one thing. Take it out, turn the ignition on. I want to run the test again. You're gonna go back here. Vehicle information, start test again. Yes, I want to start the test again to see what's gonna come after I start it. Because the charging pressure off and all this could not do anything. It could be just sensors or wire is not enough. But I want to see beyond that what I have. Like maybe the software in the engine computer are not the same. If that's the case, I'm gonna take my other computer and I will program the engine computer and see what's gonna happen after that. So stay with us, please. Okay, now I have 16 code. So I gotta display the full memory again. Now he said that monitoring engine torque timing. Monitoring engine torque timing. You know, we have this one, monitoring engine torque timing. Charge pressure sensor electric. All the other stuff is not a problem, but I have one code. Monitoring engine timing. Why I'm getting that code? I don't know why this code is there. But I have this. So let me calculate the plan for this. Monitoring engine. Okay. Automatic. Okay. Heating. Charging. Exxon. Charging. Fan electric, DME line communication, oil level switch, check telecommunication, radiator outlet, engine control unit fault. Engine control unit fault. System, O2 sensor, temperature sensor, O2 system, analytic, no message, no problem, but we have this engine control unit fault. That's a good idea. So let me see why he say engine control unit fault. Display. DME engine control unit fault. Let me continue. What does that mean? I'm going to click continue. Continue. What is there? An error occur of the check of the Venus operation data. Check the following possible cause fault. Air mass system. Work through other entire engine control fault memory. Clear the fault after working through the test. And Okay, there is nothing there. It says that's something very bad happened, but EGS, radiator, flux ray, a radiator outlet, engine oil switch. Dust cannot do that. Engine oil switch, you think can put the car in or brake in line, sensor, dynamic, oil level. End of the test. This is a control unit where it's sitting. I don't know what is that for, but a lot of information here. But that engine control unit code also is not a problem. Check the oil level and that's it. And I say, okay, oil level is good. I say continue. I don't see anything related to to my engine, why the car doesn't work like that. That's the test procedures. I don't get anything, but for that particular problem, but I will try to see if pressure charge control. This is like signals. Visual inspection, check all this wire. Anyhow, I'm not gonna do anything on this car. I will leave this one here and I will go and program the computer itself and see if it doesn't work. If the computer doesn't work, that means the computer itself is bad or there is something no good on it. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any idea, please give it to us. And as I told you before, you see, please. Just you know that we don't do nothing on the engine computer that is there. But I'm going to bring my other tools and I will log in and program the engine computer based on the car's input, car's information, and see what is the difference. Thank you for watching. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you again for watching and supporting my channel, and we're going to continue again in the other system to see what's going on. Thank you.